How to use Google Gemini. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you download Google Gemini on a device. As you can see, I've already installed the application, so I'm going to tap on open. So make sure that you're logged into your account when you use Google Gemini. So as you launch the Google Gemini, it's basically a Google's AI tool that they allowed, like a ChatGPT kind of thing. So here you can see on the home page or the home screen of Google Gemini, you can see the plus icon over here at the bottom left corner of the screen. So tap on it and here you can see the option of gallery, camera, files and drive. So you can get your files, you can click a picture, or you can just use any sort of photos and files to use over here and ask any question to this AI tool. Next, you can use the speakers, or also you can use this feature where you can turn your volume up before going live. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.